Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make my yam and egg sauce, and here are my ingredients. Over here is a tuber of yam. I have onion, 1 large onion, 3 tomato, I have 1 garlic and scotch bonnet. You can use any color of your choice, it will be fine. I have 4 eggs over here. Here is thyme and also curry. Over here is all-purpose seasoning. I have my salt here and vegetable oil. To get started, I'm going to cut and peel the yam. I'm done cutting, so it's time to start peeling the skin off. Then I'm going to cut it into 2 like this. You can shape it in any, you can cut it in any shape of your choice. This is how I like it. So I'm going to do the same to the rest. I'm done slicing the yam, as you can see. So over here what I'm doing is just to wash it off, wash it very well, and then transfer it to my cooking pot. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. It's time to cook the yam, so I'm going to add some salt to taste. Then I add some water to cook it. So I'm going to cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it is well cooked and soft. So while the yam is cooking, I'm going to come over here and prepare my ingredients for the sauce. I'm going to first of all cut the onions, then the garlic, next is the scotch bonnet. As I said earlier, you can use any color of your choice. It's all good. Then the last ingredient is the tomato. You can choose to remove the seed, but this is how I like it. I'm done prepping all my ingredients, so at this point I'm going to crack the eggs and then set aside. To start making the egg sauce, I'm going to place a pot on a cooker, as you can see over here. Then I add some cooking oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using sunflower oil. Allow it to heat up. Then I add the onion, garlic, and the scotch bonnet all at the same time. Allow to saute for 1 minute before adding the tomato. After 1 minute, then I added the tomatoes. Some thyme. Curry powder, some of the all-purpose seasoning, then a little bit of salt to taste. Stir everything together. Then I leave it on a low heat to cook for 5 minutes. While waiting for the sauce, I'm going to check on the yam and see if it is fully cooked and soft. Then I will drain the water. Back to the sauce. At this point, I'm going to taste and see if the salt is okay. I think it's okay. So now I'm going to whisk the egg and then pour it in. I stir gradually and then leave it to cool for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now my egg sauce is ready and I can't wait to dig in. So at this point, I decided to add some green peas, frozen green peas, just to give it some color and also boost the nutrients. This is optional. So guys, food is ready. If you know you are hungry, you got to hurry up here and join me. If not, I'm going to finish it. Very easy and simple to put together. Okay guys, there you have it. Here is my yam and egg sauce recipe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check out my other recipe videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.